Hello everyone, welcome to Fun Time with PJ. Today we are going to show you how to solve the 2x2 Rubik's Cube. So let's start. The first thing you need to know to solve any Rubik's Cube are the notations. If you don't know what notations are a sequence of moves or actions expressed on the cube. Each notation is expressed by one letter. Now I'll be teaching you all the notations that are possible on the 2x2. There are 6 notations. R for right, U up, L left, D down, F front and B back. So this is R. We turn the right side clockwise. And U, we turn the top layer to the left. And L, we turn the left side down, and D, we turn the bottom layer right, and F, you turn the front layer this to clockwise, and B, you turn the back layer counterclockwise. Now if these notations are followed with a prime symbol, it's just the opposite. So for example, R, this is R, and if it is followed by a prime symbol, then it's called R prime, and you just need to do the same but counterclockwise. The same follows for everything. For example, U prime, U, L, L prime, D, D prime, F, F prime, B, B prime. However, in this tutorial, we will only be using R, R prime, U, U prime, L prime, D. Now, let's start. First, you need to scramble it. Now that the cube is scrambled, the first thing you need to do is to find a red, blue and white corner, like this one. Red, blue, white. And then you need to face the red towards your side and the blue towards your left and white towards your bottom, like this. Next, you need to find a red, green and white corner, like this one. Red, green, white. Now, come back to your red, blue, white face, and then you need to get the red, white, green corner to here. To do this, there's no algorithms. You can just do it simply like this, mentally. Next, you need to follow the first algorithm, which is also called the righty hand algorithm. It is R, U, R prime, U prime. R, U, R prime and U prime. Our goal is to get white down, red here and green here. So you need to do it continuously until it becomes like that. Follow the algorithm. R, U, R prime, U prime. Now we have white here, red here and green here. So now next you need to turn to the green side. Now you need to find a green, orange and white corner and get it towards here. Now you need to do the same algorithm until it solves this piece. R U R prime U prime, 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 R U R prime and U prime. Now that it is solved, you should move on to the orange side, and you need to find a orange, white and blue corner and get it towards here. Now after you have got it here, do the algorithm again. Now that the white face is solved, we can move on to the yellow side. So we have 4 situations to solve the yellow side. The first one is either you got 2 yellow corners on the top diagonally, or you have none on the top, or you have 2 yellows aligned together, and the last one is that you only got 1 yellow side here. So now I'll be showing you the solutions for all these situations. All these situations have only one algorithm, but it's different. So first, let's see what we need to do if we have 1 yellow corner. See, if you have 1 yellow corner, you need to bring that yellow corner here. To do that, you need to only rotate the top layer, or else it will go all wrong. The white corner will be messed up. Now, after you've got it here, you need to follow the second algorithm, which is R U R prime U R. Then you can either follow U2 or U prime 2, and then R prime. So now I'll do it. R U R prime U R U2 or either U prime 2 and R prime. Now again I've got only 1, so I'll do the same. R U R prime U R U prime U2 and R prime. Now I've done it. It's solved. But now I'll show you the second situation to solve the yellow face. Now the second situation, 2 yellows aligned together. You need to get them here. To do that as well, you need to only rotate the top layer. And now follow the same algorithm again. Again I have 1 yellow corner, move it here and do the algorithm. You need to do it continuously until you've got the yellow side solved. Again I'll show you the third situation. The third situation is where you have no yellow corners on the top, so you can just follow it as the same. Yeah. Now the fourth one is a really rare one in which you have only 2 yellow corners diagonally. Now I'll show you that as well. Now the last situation is where you have 2 yellows diagonally. So you need to bring only one of them here and the other there, and then follow the same algorithm. and then you got the yellow solved. Now you'll have 3 situations for solving the whole cube. This is the last step. Either you'll get one face solved and the rest not solved, or you'll get none of them solved, or you'll have the whole cube solved. Now that's not a problem, so I'll give you the solution for the remaining 2 situations. Okay, now for the first situation I've already explained, so now I need to go to the opposite side. For me, I have the green side solved, so now I need to go to the opposite side of the face that is solved. So I need to go to blue. If you have orange solved, go to red. It's the same for all the faces. Now that I've went to blue, you need to follow the last and third algorithm, which is L prime, U, R prime, D, D, R, U prime, R prime, D, D, R, R. Yeah. Now I'll just show that. L prime, U, R prime, D, D, R, U prime, R prime, D, D, R, R. Now that's done. Go to the top face and just solve it. Now let's move on to the next situation. Now this is the last situation which no face is solved. So we can choose, if we have this situation, we can choose any side you want and do the same algorithm. L prime, U, R prime, D, D, D2, R, U prime, R prime, D, D, D2, R2. After you've done that, you'll have a normal case, the same. You'll have one face solved, you just have to go to the opposite and do the same. Yeah, and that's it. Now, that is it. You have learned to solve the cube.